shopping for clothes. Do you think this jacket looks good on me?
Yeah, it actually looks really nice.
I'm not sure about the color.
I like it. It matches your jeans.
Maybe.
Try the black one too.
Good idea.
Do you need any help?
Yes, can I try this jacket in a different size?
Of course. What size do you need?
Medium, please.
I'll check for you.
I like shopping with you.
Really? Most people hate it.
It's fun when we're not in a hurry.
True.
Here's the medium.
Thank you.
The fitting rooms are over there.
Thanks.
I'll wait here.
Okay.
How does it fit?
Much better, actually.
Let me see.
What do you think?
Honestly, it looks perfect.
You think so?
Definitely.
All right, I'll buy it.
Are you getting anything else?
Maybe a pair of sneakers.
Those white ones are cute.
Yeah, but they're expensive.
Everything in this store is expensive.
True.
Are you ready to pay?
Yes.
Did you find everything you needed today?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $92.
Okay. Can I pay with Apple Pay?
Absolutely.
Done.
Perfect. Here's your receipt.
Thanks.
So, where to next?
Food. Shopping makes me hungry.
Same. Let's go.
Paying the bills. Did you pay the electricity bill yet?
Not yet. I completely forgot.
It's due today.
Seriously?
Yes, I got a reminder message this morning.
Okay, I'll do it now.
Good, because last month we paid late.
I know. We had to pay extra fees.
Exactly.
Where's the bill?
It's on the kitchen table.
Found it.
Are you paying online?
Yeah, it's easier.
Can you also pay the internet bill?
Sure. How much is it this month?
Around $70, I think.
Everything is getting more expensive.
Tell me about it.
What about the water bill?
I already paid that one yesterday.
Nice. One less thing to worry about.
Exactly.
Wait, what's the Wi-Fi password again?
Seriously, you never remember it.
I know.
It's written on the fridge.
Oh, right.
Did the payment go through?
Let me check.
Well?
Yep, done.
Great.
I also paid the internet bill.
Thank you.
No problem.
Adult life is just paying bills all the time.
And working to pay more bills.
Sadly true.
At least we finished everything today.
That feels good.
At the cafe.
This place is really nice.
Yeah, I come here all the time.
It smells amazing in here.
Their coffee is really good.
Hi guys. Are you ready to order?
I think so.
What can I get for you?
Can I have an iced latte, please?
Sure. What size?
Medium.
Any sugar or flavor?
Vanilla, please.
No problem. And for you?
I'll have a cappuccino and a turkey sandwich.
Would you like fries or salad with that?
Salad, please.
Great. Anything else?
Maybe a chocolate muffin.
Good choice.
Thanks.
Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
So, how was work today?
Honestly, exhausting. We had meetings all morning.
Same here. I needed this coffee.
Are you still working on that big project?
Yeah, and my boss keeps changing everything.
That sounds stressful.
It is.
Here's your cappuccino and iced latte.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Wow, this coffee is really good.
Told you.
We should come here more often.
Definitely.
By the way, did you watch that new show last night?
No spoilers, please. I'm watching it tonight.
Relax, I won't say anything.
Good.
And here's your sandwich and muffin.
Thanks.
This looks delicious.
I'm so hungry.
Me too.